When you've reached this page, you're ready to pay your application fee. You'll see that the application fee has already been loaded into the account, and there is a button to proceed to checkout. Before you proceed to checkout, you need to make sure that all of these are green. You can tell here that there is student personal information that is missing. You can go back and fix that right now, and there's the red part that was missed. If you don't know what your country code is, click there to enter it. But if you don't know, you can click there. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. But click Proceed to Checkout. And when you do, you're going to go in here and you're going to enter your card number. I'm just going to put in some fake number. And click Pay. It's going to come back and it's going to tell you the card has not been charged yet. It's waiting for you to click the Submit button. From here, you're ready to go. If you click the Submit button and there is something that is not completed, it will take you back to that page to complete, or it may give you an error message up here saying you need to complete the citizenship information, but it will let you know that you have left off information. Go back and complete that information, in this case, US for our sample applicant. Click Next. Now it's green. And now I'm back to application fee. So now everything is green and I should be able to click Submit. It will go into saving application. This takes a few seconds. Not only is this saving your application, it is also creating your account. So it takes it a few minutes to make sure that this is all correct. And that will be your message. You'll get your thank you for submitting your application. Your representative, a startup advisor, will be contacting you shortly, or an admissions counselor, or someone that will help you move through this process. It will usually take 1 to 2 weeks before the admissions counselor or someone can contact you. So be patient as we process your application. Thank you very much, and welcome to Nations University.